In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add photo on contact. You can simply add a photo to each and every phone number in your contacts list. To do this, simply head into your contact list. Select any contact. On this page, tap on the Edit button on your upper left corner on the screen. Then tap on Add Photo right here. You can click on the first option to access your camera. To head into your gallery, just tap on this second option right here. Then select any photo. Move and scale, then click on Choose. The photo will get added to the selected contact successfully. That's how easy it is to add photo to phone numbers in your contacts list on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.